This is a 4-pole, 1/3 horsepower motor going 1800 RPM. I have my 3600 RPM up here. I took the bearings out today and kind of realigned them, got them better. And I used to brag I had 0.03, 0.04. Last time I ran this, it had 180 milliamps. Now it's only 70 milliamps after I kind of fixed the ceramic bearings up. So that's pretty good. 120 volt input. So, I'm having problems with this. I have the air gap too tight. When I shut it off, like I'll be going at 3600 RPM, but when I shut it off, it'll scrape. The magnets will scrape on the ferrite cores. And now these two rotors are loose. I got to go in there and tighten them. When I tighten the nut too tight, it distorts the flatness of the rotor. So I'm going to take this apart, make wider air gaps. And I ran the motor coils, and at 3600 RPM they put out 12.8 volts. I tried AC amps and DC amps, and it still doesn't want to show amperage. It might be the wiring or something. I need to tear this down again. Okay, sorry about the racket. Still steady 70 milliamps. It's pretty good. Okay, thanks for watching.